All right, and so here is a System 11, what is it, System 11A out of a Fire MPU. So customer was having issues with the switch matrix. I believe that, God, if I recall, the wrong voltage was put into the switch section and had fried both SIP resistors here. This one does have a burn mark, but I believe that was from the transistor, because this SIP resistor is still checking out perfectly. So I did not replace it. It's just got a little bit of a cosmetic defect there, but we did, however, have three 3904s here that were faulty in that section just from whatever had happened there. I went ahead and replaced the 22 UF reset capacitor, the 3100 UF power input filters, the 470 and 100, as well as the 210 UF here in the sound section, new power input header, and MV RAM installed on the board. And so we'll go ahead and get this thing powered up and actually switch that to the correct. I love this Victor display. So if you guys didn't know, I've actually got all of the System 11 options, as well as the Data East option for the displays there. So we've got everything all dancing here in the lamp matrix, and I'm sure probably trying to figure out the either the ramp or the oops, it's the wrong one. Either the ramp or the windows or something in the game here, but we'll go ahead get this thing in a test. And I don't have a soundboard connected, so we'll go ahead and skip that portion. And there's the displays. And again, we don't have a soundboard connected. And this overhead light is going to affect this video for some reason. So all lamps are working, and then into single lamps, which obviously all of these are working as well. And we'll move into solenoids. So testing both A side and C side of the first 8 coils. And into the other 8 coils. And then testing the special solenoids here, which are the green LEDs. And these are also switch controlled. So those are all working correctly. And then we'll go into switch edges and testing diagonally through the switch matrix. Fire does report all 64 switches. And I thought I had this set up to free play, but I guess apparently I do not. And what was... Oh, that's a percentage sign. Looked off there for a second. Should be 23. Yep, I did not have that set to free play. Strange. Well, there we are. We are now set to free play, and we are 100% ready to go once again. So thank you so much for sending it.